Indulge. Verb. Indulge. Allow oneself to enjoy the pleasure of. Allow oneself to enjoy the pleasure of. Indulge. 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 Example, we indulged in a cream tea. Example, we indulged in a cream tea. Synonyms: wallow in, give oneself up to, give way to, yield to, abandon oneself to. Synonyms: wallow in, give oneself up to, give way to, yield to, abandon oneself to. Antonyms: stifle. Antonyms: stifle. 1. I never indulge children with plenty of pocket money. 2. She has never been one to indulge in gossip. 3. It is sometimes necessary to indulge a sick child. 4. Most of us were too busy to indulge in heavy lunchtime drinking. 5. Only rarely will she indulge in a glass of wine.